Introducing the 2024 Harley-Davidson Nightster, a bold step forward into a new era of riding. This latest addition to the Sportster lineup is designed to ignite the passion of riders of all levels with its nimble handling and confidence-inspiring performance. Key features. Forward riding position. The Nightster offers a forward riding position that enhances control and engagement, perfect for carving through mountain roads or navigating city streets with ease. Mid-mount foot controls. Positioned for optimal comfort and control, the mid-mount foot controls ensure a natural riding posture, allowing riders to confidently maneuver the bike in any situation. Low seat height. With a low seat height, the Nightster provides a stable and accessible riding experience, accommodating a wide range of riders and boosting confidence for new and experienced enthusiasts alike. Compatibility. Designed to meet A2 licensing requirements, the Nightster opens up the world of Harley-Davidson to a broader audience of riders, inviting them to experience the thrill of the open road. Rider safety enhancements. Rider safety is paramount, and the Nightster offers optional enhancements to further enhance rider confidence and security on every journey. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Nightster represents the dawn of a new era for the legendary American motorcycle manufacturer. It embodies the spirit of adventure and freedom that has defined Harley-Davidson for generations, while introducing modern innovations to propel the Sportster legacy into the future. Powered by the revolutionary Revolution Max 975 engine, the Nightster delivers exhilarating performance with more torque at low RPM and robust power throughout the mid-range. Paired with exposed dual rear shocks inspired by classic Sportster design, the Nightster offers sharp handling and unmistakable style. The Nightster's frame utilizes the engine as a stressed member, reducing weight and improving stiffness for enhanced agility and responsiveness on the road. With a starting price of $11,999 in the US, $14,499 CDN in Canada, and £13,295 in Europe/UK, on the road Inc. 20% VAT, the 2024 Harley-Davidson Nightster is a thrilling addition to the Sportster family, inviting riders to embark on their next great adventure. Join us as we embrace the spirit of the open road and ride into a new dawn with the 2024 Harley-Davidson Nightster.